One thing when we start to look at ethnicity in the corpus that is really important to keep in mind is how important gender is in the way in which different ethnic groups are represented. But you can see here that there are very different associations between Irishman, Irish woman, Jew and Jewess, and then common associations between Irish woman and Jewess. A lot of these are fairly neutral, so that French woman, country woman, for example, English woman, are closely associated with those two terms, Irish woman and Jewess. But you can also see that in relation to the Irish woman in the corpus as a whole, class is a much more pronounced set of associations than in relation to the Irish man. And with the Jewess, race is decidedly more pronounced. Now, these are the set of references for the corpus as a whole, the set of associations, and you can go in and you can create these semantic network visualizations as Derek has demonstrated yourself for other groups and other topics. It's very interesting to compare that with fiction. You can use the classifications. We don't have all of the classifications there as a filter yet for semantic network visualizations. And there's also an issue that you need a certain amount of data for these to be meaningful. You need a scale of data for these to be meaningful. But the class associations with Irish woman are different within the fiction corpus. And I would suggest that some of that is down to the fact that the middle class is so much better represented in fiction in the 19th century than it is in the corpus, for example, as a whole, which includes history, gazettes, geography, and so on.